In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly fix your Microsoft Teams display name. This is really helpful if your name is showing up incorrectly in meetings, in chats, or in your organization's contact list, and you want a fast, reliable way to update it. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you're signed in with the account whose name you want to change. Once Teams is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You should see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Go ahead and click on that. When you click your profile icon, a small menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says something like Manage Account or Manage Profile. The exact wording can change slightly depending on your version, but you're looking for the place where you can see your account details, like your name and email. Click on that option to open your account settings. A new window or tab will open in your browser showing your account profile. Here, you'll see your current display name. This is usually made up of your first name and last name, and it's what shows up for other people in Teams. Find the button or link that lets you edit your name. It might say Edit Name, Change Name, or simply show a small pencil icon next to your name. Click that edit option and you'll be able to type in your correct first name and last name. Take a moment to make sure everything is spelled the way you want. This is especially important if your name has special characters, multiple parts, or a preferred shortened version you use professionally. Once you're happy with how it looks, click the Save or Update button. After saving, your new display name might not update instantly in every part of Teams. A quick way to refresh things is to close Microsoft Teams completely and then reopen it. If you're using the desktop app, make sure it's fully closed from the system tray before you open it again. When it restarts, your updated name should appear in meetings, chats, and your profile. If you still don't see the change, it may take a little time to sync across your organization, especially if your account is managed by your company's IT department. In that case, give it a bit of time and then check again. And that's it. You've just done a quick fix of your Microsoft Teams display name.